near, you can't help but to be at the mercy of goodness and all tranquility. I don't think you'll ever see a face on this planet, much less experience openings at the end of a tunnel, damn it. And that's what happened to the rest when it's next indefinitely composed. Mummy under the surface, welcome to purgatory. Be winged from bone to weapons of back, breaks, balance, roll with all your feathers, sword pointed clumsiness, interactive malice. God-forsaken creature was Holy Ghost, persuasion, persuasion, smacking heathen after death, home. Your body awakened the wristband, obvious different, cut off like fingertips, polygraphic, materialistic. I've been standing by this cage that contains a supermodel for the past 2,000 years, where female form was controlling bottle. Messages sent via the sea of 1,000 corpses. Kill all these children, of course, that of a morbid approach. Life, I can touch something in life with the plasma. Raining thunder, nature, the earth, search the word, this is life. They come into hope for the broken and cold.
Hey everyone, this is Tyrone the Bandit Wholesaler coming to you once again. Happy New Year. Hope all your goals you set for this year come true and work towards them. I'm going to do a follow-up to a video I did last year on building a buyer's list. I gave 2 tips. One, calling landlords in your local newspaper, preferably your Sunday local, and attending real estate auctions. This technique works as well. It's a pretty good technique because it builds a list of actual buyers and not just people on an email list. But it's a little bit slower than the other 2 methods that I gave last year, but it's still very effective. What you need to do is attend your local real estate investors association meeting and network and find out who are the top wholesalers that frequently attend the RIA meetings in that area. You might have more than 1 or 2 attend both of them, or how many in your generalized area, and find out who are the top 2, 3 wholesalers, the high volume, the players. And what you're going to do is you're going to get onto their buyers list. More than likely they'll just probably just send out like an email whenever they get a property and a contract, they'll just send an email out. So if you're on their list, you're going to get an email too. And what you do is take the information, the property address, put it like in an Excel spreadsheet, put the person's name on, whose name on the title of the deed at the time, and save it. If the wholesaler is a high volume wholesaler, chances are is that the wholesaler is going to get that property sold to an investor buyer. So eventually, once that happens, the information on the title is going to change, and the investor buyer's name is now going to be reflected on the title when you go and look up the title about 60 days after the transaction is closed. So at that point, you have the investor buyer's name, address, city, state, zip, and then all you have to do is just send them a postcard, just letting them know that you're a wholesaler, that you have other bargain properties, and you would like for them to be on your buyer's list. And leave your telephone number or email or fax, whatever, and they call you and you put them on your buyer's list, and there you go, just like that. And this technique also works for real estate auctions too, because auctioneers auction off investment properties, and all you have to do is write down or put in your Excel spreadsheet the address of the property, and do the exact same thing as before. When the title changes, the investor buyer's information is going to be made public record, and you just go ahead and mail to them, direct mail to them, postcard a letter, and request for them to be on your buyer's list. Same way. So you kill 2 birds with 1 stone, 2 methods. Get on a wholesaler's buyer's list, and pretty much you letting them really build your buyers for you. And with the auction method, just putting into your spreadsheet or a log of the properties that are auctioned off at auction by the auctioneers, and just follow up to find out when the title changes hand of the new investor buyer. That's all it is. It's just that easy. It's not as fast as calling landlords or attending auctions, but it's still a way of building your buyers list. So hope it works out for you guys. I'll talk to you later.